That.
How much did you shit?
I was expecting as it hit the water to get smashed.
It's still there. Yeah.
Oh. Don't know.
I think I landed on his face.
Definitely a barra, that. Bullhead just missed one on the surface there. Mick and Tannum are using surface lures at the moment, and Tannum just got buffed on the edge. So there's fish in it. You just see how hungry they are.
Way out there.
Legal size?
No. No, definitely not.
No. And Bullhead's just got one on the surface. So
It was way
there's fish here, yeah.
Like he would have been 20 foot off the edge.
Yeah, right. Did you see him before you cast at him, or?
No. No, that's where he hit it. Hit it a long way out.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it was so like it tore a big hole in his lip. How freaking clean is he?
Pretty fish, eh?
Big release.
Yeah.
Back to his mum. Back flop. Oh, speaking of coffee. I don't normally have a coffee by the time I get here. I'm in a lot of trouble if I hook up. Don't worry about hooking up first.
That's right. Get him on there first.
Get him over the tree.
That was a big jack, that.
Will that work for the fucking skate, you reckon?
What's that? Yeah, it should do.
Try and find another hook. I reckon he would have been like mid-40s.
Surface just didn't do it, is it?
Well, it was.
Initially.
Oh, that'd be funny. If it got hit. No, Dad was recording the whole thing. Was he? Yep.
I thought I was, yeah.
Were you?
No.
Oh.
Oh, bow wave under that.
Oh, should I follow you up?
I'm going to hit spot lock here. There was definitely, oh, definitely a bow wave behind that then. Well, this has got us pretty much, where was that? This has got us pretty much stuffed. There's nothing happening up here at all. We're not getting any bites, nothing. We've had, all up between us, we've had probably 5 or 6 bites all day. Bullhead's got one little barra. That's the only fish that's been landed.
The only fish that's been hooked.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So we got no idea what's going on. Obviously there's been a little bit of runoff here if you look at the amount of debris on the surface.
Nothing.
Really?
Yep.
That's on spot lock, Tannum, so the boat's going to swing around the other way. The young fella is connected to another one. Not a monster fish, but it's fish. It's bigger than anything we've seen today. Actually, he's getting close to legal, isn't he?
No. Nah, well, sure. Yeah, he's like 50.
Very good. Oh. Finally. That was a bigger fish. It was a much bigger fish. As soon as that lure hit the water, he came from 3 or 4 feet to the right of it to zoom in on it. There's a bow wave there, Tom.
Jack there.
Oh no, it's going to never go in the fresh. Surface here. Not interested in that, really. Maybe a metre fish. Holy crap, it just jumped one off about a metre. Oh dear. On a reel bait. He hit it and ran straight at me. And as I was trying to set the hook, yeah, you bloody... Anyway, missed him. Usually where there's one, there's more. Right, I actually took the GoPro off because it's been so dead, but just dropped the vibe. Found a few fish on the side scan here, dropped the vibe, and third cast I think. This is on an atomic semi-hard. I don't know if I can get the bloody net out of it. Settle. One in the net's the issue. Get this vibe out of this fella. So, it looks like it's going to be more of a reaction bite. Because those fish, I threw a swim bait, a reel bait at them there before, and they never reacted to it at all. And then with a reel bait or swim bait, you've got to swim it through real slow. The vibes, you have to actually work a little bit harder. Just downsized my vibe, which has got weaker hooks on it. So I have to make sure that I don't straighten the hooks on this one. I've only got 30-pound leader, but I've only got really small hooks. Get this thing ready. I don't think he'll be ready for a little while. But it was as soon as I downsized. Come on, where you go? Not a bad one, up around the 80 probably. He's chafing that leader pretty hard though. Come on. Come on. He's got that well down. Oh, he's bleeding. I've just seen blood. 78 to 80 centimetres long. Look how far he's got that down. Luckily for me and him, I bought a new pair of pliers with the really long points on them, which means that I can get my hands into places that I normally wouldn't be able to. I'll get the point of the pliers in there. So that one just fell out. The other one's actually in his stomach lining. God, he's taken that down deep. So if I can get that, I need to be able to see it first. There we go. There's a little bit of blood, but there is no damage. I can't see any damage on the gills at all. So obviously he's bleeding, so, but he will be fine, I think. The lead is all chafed up pretty bad, so we'll just retie that.